Radar method. The word radar stands for radio detection and ranging. So radar is used to measure accurately the distance between the nearby planets such as Mars, Mercury, etc. So what is the principle behind this radar method is we are sending the radio waves which are having the velocity of light from the transmitters which are kept at Earth station, and it is reflected from the planet and it is detected by the receiver. Okay. So radio waves are sent from the transmitters to a particular planet or to a particular object. It reaches there and it gets reflected back and it will be detected by the receiver. Okay. So the radio waves are traveling to and fro. So from the transmitter to the object and from the object to the detector. So measuring the time interval between the radio waves that are sent and received, okay, the distance of the planet can be determined. Now speed, you know the speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to what? Distance by time. So distance is equal to speed of radio waves into time. These radio waves are nothing but the electromagnetic waves. So these radio waves always travel with the speed of light. They will travel with the speed of light. Here the picture is showing from the receiver, from the transmitter in the earth station. This is an antenna. The antenna will work as a transmitter as well as a receiver. Now from this transmitter, these radio waves will be traveling and it is reaching a target. This now here in this picture, the target is an aeroplane. Okay. So it receives to the target and from there it will be reflected back and it will be received by the antenna back. Okay. So this antenna is acting as a receiver now. While it is transmitting, it will act as a transmitter. While it is receiving, it will act as a receiver. Now the time taken by the electromagnetic wave to travel from the transmitter to the object and the object to the receiver will be noted. Okay. So the distance traveled here is from antenna to aeroplane is D. From aeroplane to antenna is again what? D. So what is the total distance traveled? The total distance traveled is what? 2D. So the time can be measured and the distance we have to calculate. Okay. So the distance is equal to velocity into time by 2 because the total distance is 2D. 2D is equal to V into T. So D is equal to V into T by 2. So where V is the velocity of the radio wave. So the time taken for the distance covered during the forward and backward path of the radio waves is divided by 2 to get the actual distance of the object. Now in this method we can use to determine the height at which the aeroplane flies from the ground. Okay. So this is the method to measure large distances.